Follow these steps to FaceTime with Android phone users from your iPhone. First, launch your FaceTime app. Now click on the option Create Link. Once you have created the link, different options will appear. Now use any of these platforms to share this link to your Android user. Instagram, messages, mail, or anything. I'm gonna use Mail app. Now go ahead and type in the friend's email address over here. After you type in, now you can type in the subject part, join, and you can send it. With that, the person will receive FaceTime link in the mail. The person has to open the mail and then click on the FaceTime link. The person will be prompted to enter the name. After the person enters the name, the person will be live and it will open the FaceTime. Once the person has joined the FaceTime, you're gonna get the notification that the person has joined the FaceTime. Then you have to click on that link and the FaceTime will be enabled for both the devices in the iPhone and Android. So this way you are able to use FaceTime with Android phone users from your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.